Christmas lighting for today. Kaya welcome to a night filled with joy and celebration. Can you feel the excitement tonight? Wow, thank you so much. Jollibee believes that it's about elevating everyday moment and making them extraordinaries with our loved ones. Welcome to Jollibee Cavite City Joyful Christmas Stores Lunch!
Pasko yes ng ating Chicken Joys pa ang ating Pasko for this year.
And Feliz Navidad, enjoy the rest of the night po.
Ayan, isang mapagpalang gabi po sa inyo lahat.
Isang special dance number, isang masigabong palakpakan everyone! Let's do our 10-second countdown together. Ready? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Merry Christmas! Wow! Maraming salamat! Sa ating mga nakisaya, pwede kayo mag-reach ng